all of you to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss some important questions from quadrilateral. Very first question. In quadrilateral ABCD, the bisectors of angle B and D meet CD and AB produced at point P and Q respectively. Prove that angle P plus angle Q equals to 1 by 2 of angle B plus angle D. As you observe in figure, AVCD is a quadrilateral. The bisectors of angle B meet after producing CD to P, and bisectors of angle D meet AB produced to Q. Let here 1 by 2 D equals to 1, 1 by 2 B equals to 2 as in figure. Now we start from triangle ADQ. AQD, as you observe here, that is angle A plus angle Q plus angle 1 equals to 180 degree. Similarly in triangle VCP, angle 2 plus angle C plus angle P equals to 180 degree. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get that is angle A plus angle Q plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle C plus angle P equals to 180 plus 180, 360. Now in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus B plus C plus D, 360. In place of B, we write 2 into angle 2. In place of D, we write 2 into angle 1. Now from equation 3 and 4, we write that is angle A plus Q plus 1 plus 2 plus C plus Q P equals to angle A plus 2 into angle 2 plus C 2 into angle 1. Both sides A, C and C cancel. Finally we get angle P plus Q equals to 2 angle 2 plus 2 angle 1 minus 1 minus 2. Finally we get angle 1 plus angle 2. In place of angle 1 we write D by 2. In place of angle 2 write angle B by 2. Finally we get angle P plus angle Q equals to 1 by 2 into angle B plus angle D. In a square ABCD, the point PQR are on ABVCCD such that PB equals to QC equals to RD and angle PQR equals to 90 degree. Prove that very first PQ equals to QR and the second angle QPR equals to 45 degree. Quadrilateral ABCD is a square. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA equals to A suppose, and angle A equals to B equals to C equals to D equals to 90 degree. Now given here PB equals to QC equals to RD, all three are equals to B suppose. So here we get VC, that is A minus B. Here we get VQ equals to A minus B. Similarly CR equals to A minus B. Now we discuss triangle VPQ and QCR. Angle V equals to angle C equals to 90 degree. VQ equals to RCR or RC equals to A minus B. VP equals to QC equals to B. So both the triangles, triangle VPQ and triangle CQR, congruent by using congruence rule SAS. Therefore, very first we get PQ equals to QR from CPCT proved. Now we discuss in triangle PQR. As you observe, triangle PQR, here angle 1 plus 2 plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree, the sum of angles of a triangle. And therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 minus 90. So angle 1 equals to 2 equals to 90 by 2, 45 degree. So angle QPR equals to 45 degrees. Question: if O is a point within a quadrilateral ABCD so that OA plus OB plus OC plus OD greater than AC plus BD. Given in quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD are diagonals. O is any point within the quadrilateral, as in figure. But always we have to consider here, we take point in such a manner that point O neither on VD nor on AC. Now we join point A, V, C and D to O. Here we have to prove that OA plus OB plus OC plus OD greater than AC plus BD. Now in triangle AOC, as you observe in the figure, AOC, what we observe? OA plus OC greater than AC, because the sum of two sides of a triangle greater than the third side. Similarly, we observe triangle BOD, OB plus OD greater than BD. By adding equation 1 and 2, we get OB plus OA plus OC plus OD greater than AC plus BD. Proved. Now the next question: if ABCD is a quadrilateral where diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O, prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. In figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now we start from triangle ACD. ACD, the sum of two sides, that is CD plus AD greater than AC. Equation first, because the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Similarly in triangle ABC, again AB plus VC greater than AC. Equation second. By adding equation 1 and 2, we get AB plus BC plus CD greater than 2AC. Similarly, we can write AB plus BC plus CD plus AD greater than 2VD. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get 2 into the sum of AB plus BC plus CD plus AD greater than 2 into sum of AC plus BD. 2 and 2 cancel. Finally, we can write AB plus BC plus CD plus AD greater than AC plus BD. That's all. Thank you.